Chef Daniel from Paris Academy. Today I want to teach you guys how to make a burger. First of all, we make a brioche dough. The ingredients have high protein flour, cake flour, custard sugar, salt, yeast, whole egg and egg yolk, milk and butter. First, we put the low protein flour and high protein flour, custard sugar and salt inside the mixer. Okay, we're using slow speed to mix. After mix well, we add on yeast. After mix well yeast, and then we add the whole egg and egg yolk together. And then the milk. After mix well, we're using high speed to beat until got gluten. Okay, we're using slow speed to add on the butter. We separate 2 times to add on the butter to mix well. After that, we check the window pane. Then we beat until the skin is smooth. That's like window pane. Okay, beat until the dough done already. Then we find a container. We spread some high protein flour. And then bring the dough over here and then chill overnight. And then we make it smooth. Okay, and then we chill overnight. After overnight, we separate the dough 60 grams each. After measure, we make it a round circle. So next step, we put the dough into the fermenting box. So the humidity is 40 Celsius and the temperature is 20. After 2 hours fermentation, we brush a layer of whole egg on it. And then we put on the black and white sesame. We will be putting it into deck oven. Upper temperature will be 210 Celsius and lower temperature will be 180 Celsius and bake for 10 minutes. This is how brioche is made.
Like if it's worth it. I told her there's a that's why I scheduled all the days. No way, I ain't catching me slipping away. Your time is money and money's a game, so let's play.
Oh my god, this is the best burger in the world.
Then on my turn, I'ma tell it to you straight.
眼神杀一点。对，对。喷火！来，过来！